Today's plan is to cut off the top of the tree here, so. Apple tree. Bring it down on a level. You can see it threaten the house, you know? So, yeah man. I try to take it on this morning, is it? Yeah man, big up yourself. Father God, go ahead and protect, you know? Every time, man. The old man up on the ends, you know? Yeah man. Both limbs are off. You know what, go? Down a ground. You know, up in the tree, me there. Can't show them settings there, you know? It's not a 4-hand thing, it's a 2-hand thing. You don't know, big up Father God same way. No damage is done so far. See me? Yeah man. Respect to the Almighty for everything, you see it? Aye. Well, it's now cutting up time. See boss down there, so I take time I draw a leaf, I go out this, I go out this way. Don't know, we there I try with it still. Give thanks to the Most High, no damage. Drop out a tree just a while ago still, but you don't know. Not from far still, luckily. You see me? But yeah, they are same way still. We go up to the Most High, you see me? Look what small saw do. Yeah. Don't know. I make the old man to walk up himself still, you see it. That's how I move them here now. Can't do anything you put your mind to, man. Again, look what small saw do. This is it. Hard work, it works. Look what the small saw do. Yeah. Desired result, you know. Never damage your house then. The greatest thing is it. So yeah man. Really for your brother come turn out, come give me a help and that too. See me? Alright man.